It is a calm day for the agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. when suddenly, red alert, red alert, red alert. What in the bejesus is going on?
I don't know. Why don't we ask the director?
I think I last saw him in the meeting room. Let's go there.
Meanwhile, in the meeting room, Doug Fury. It's Dr. No Good again. He's up to no good. What is that no good doctor doing this time? Dr. No Good is designing a biological device to wipe out the Avengers. A biological device? I thought that technology was still in its infancy. Dr. No Good has forced the best biologists in the world to work for him. We need to stop him, Doug. Meanwhile, at Dr. No Good's hidden base, we will wipe out the Avengers. Then we will take over the world. Mwahaha! Now get to work, you minions. Mwahaha! Back at S.H.I.E.L.D. headquarters, Dr. Elkind, I need you to assemble the best team of people you can find.
They're already here, sir. Dr. Bennett and Dr. Cow are the best in my division.
Good. Now go talk to Tony. He'll tell you what he needs. Ladies, gentlemen, today we are faced with a crisis, and you are the only people that can stop it. Dr. No Good is creating a biological device that will wipe out the Avengers. If we don't stop him, once he is through with us, his next step is the world. Now I have a functional and structural specifications for a counter device, but I need a tool to help me design, build, and test the device before we deploy.
We have just the tool for you, Tony. Our guys at CITER, the cross-disciplinary integration of design automation research, have been working on a top-secret tool called Phoenix.
Sounds interesting, Dr. Elkind. What is Phoenix?
Phoenix takes your structural and functional specifications and takes them through the design, build, and test cycles.
That's great. Sounds like just what I need. There's just one problem.
What's that?
Well, I don't actually have the specifications.
What do you mean?
Well, the Hulk and I got into a little argument, and the majority of my house was destroyed, along with those documents.
What do you have then?
I remember the behavior and the STL logic of my device.
Dr. Cow, you're our STL logic expert. Do you think we can still do it?
Dr. Elkind, it looks like we have no choice.
I have an idea.
What is it?
If Tony knows the behavior of the device, we can create an interface that turns that behavior into a specification. Tony, do you think you can draw out the behavior of the device? I can do it, Dr. Bennett, if you get me the interface. And so the three agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. started working on the interface that would save the Avengers. A few hours later.
Mr. Stark, do I have something for you?
What is it, Dr. Elkind?
We have finished the first prototype of our interface and are 3 months ahead of schedule. Dr. No Good doesn't stand a chance.
That's great. Can I take a look at it?
Of course, Tony. That's why I mentioned it. So, we are naming this interface the Grid Temporal Logic Inference Tool, or GridTLI for short.
Sounds official.
If you start up this webpage, Tony, you'll see the homepage of our interface.
Wow, that is amazing, Dr. Elkind. Your team has accomplished so much.
The tool was designed using HTML5 Canvas and the open-source JavaScript tool Paper.js. It was implemented using 2 Paper.js layers in a single HTML5 canvas. This makes the tool easy to scale for future development.
I will now go over some of the main features of GridTLI. Make sure you pay close attention, Tony. This may save your life.
Yes, ma'am.
Using our tool, you'll be able to draw out the behavior of your biological device. Notice how you can control the number of data points with your cursor speed.
Wow, that is great. What else can it do?
Glad you asked, Tony. Not only can you draw a function point by point, you can add, remove, and modify points on the functions you draw.
What if I just want to delete a function? Can I do that?
Of course, Tony. You just click on our eraser tool and then click on the function you want to delete.
Wow, that's great, Dr. Elkind. By the way, what do those colored boxes mean?
When you draw a function in our tool, the boxes are colored according to where the lines are. You can redefine the grid to make the boxes larger or smaller. Larger boxes make for a looser signal-temporal logic function, while smaller boxes make a more precisely defined function.
Amazing. Just amazing. I couldn't have done it better myself. Well, I probably could, but that's only because I am the Iron Man.
Of course, Tony, of course.
Now, I have included a flowchart of the functionality of our tool. As you can see, it shows how the tool drawing, grid adjustment, color boxes, and saving functions have been designed.
Wow, that is quite the list of functionalities. I have to ask though, Dr. Elkind, what about collaboration? Us Avengers are always on the move, and we want to be able to collaborate with each other from around the world.
We've thought about that as well, Tony. We're able to download your design information into a JSON file that you can then share with Avengers all over the world.
I'm amazed. That Dr. No Good doesn't stand a chance. Meanwhile, back at Dr. No Good's base, the Avengers are trying to stop my dastardly plans. I will not let them. They will face the fear of Dr. No Good. Minions, get me my computer.
Banana!
Banana? No, I meant the computer. Get me the computer.
Banana!
Yes, the computer. Now back to work, you fools.
Banana!
What is this? The Avengers have an amazing tool.
Banana!
We must hurry. If we do not, the Avengers shall have the advantage. Back at S.H.I.E.L.D. headquarters,
That no-good doctor won't know what is coming for him.
that no-good doctor is going to pay. Dr. Elkind, before I show that doctor why we are called the Avengers, what is this link to STL Editor?
Ah, Tony, that is a text editor for signal temporal logic syntax. One day, we would like to integrate our graphical interface with the text editor.
That would be very impressive, Dr. Elkind. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have an appointment with a no-good doctor.
Bye, Tony, and good luck.
Back at Dr. No Good's headquarters,
Banana! Banana! Banana!
what is it, you minions?
Banana!
An intruder. It's the Iron Man. Prepare the defenses. I'm here to end your reign of terror, Dr. No Good. The agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. have developed tools to beat your biological device. No! You will not win. I will have my vengeance. No!